everyone, this is Laura with We Met to Wirework and More, and today I'm going to show you how to whip up these super fast, really pretty little skull earrings. And before we get going, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. The materials we're going to use today is our barrel nose pliers. These are our curved nose jewelry pliers, and then just a pair of snips. We have some ear wires. We have 3 different types of beads. This is a red glass. This is our turquoise skulls, and then we have a couple of teeny tiny little pieces of hematite, and then we have our pre-made head pins. So these come together super quick and are just a lot of fun. So we take our head pin, we straighten that out, and then we quite simply start popping on our beads. And you could do this in any combination, and you could also make your head pins yourself. And we'll pop it on the red one, and turquoise and red go really great together. Okay, so we've strung those 3 beads. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our barrel nose pliers and we're going to give this wire a little bend. And then we're going to grasp. I'm going with about halfway up our barrel nose pliers. We don't need this loop to be super big. And then I'm just taking that wire and I bent it down, as you can see. And I'm going to take our curved pliers and I'm just going to help that wire through to the other side. As you can see, we got this little loop here at the top. And then we are taking our wire and we are going to twist it. Try and get one full twist. Some of these head pins are a little bit short, so that's where making your own comes in handy, and we will do another video on how to do that. Okay, so we've come around once and we're going to just snip that off like that and then flatten it out. Okay, so there is one. Once again, we take our head pin, we pop our turquoise skull on there. We've got a red bead, and then just our little piece of hematite. Gosh, those are cute. Taking our barrel nose pliers, once again, we're about bending that to the side, and then we're about halfway up the pliers, right? So you see the length here. Taking that and bending it around there like that, bringing it across so it's got this little tail here. Grabbing that and twisting it around. Like I said, you can use your other pliers to kind of help it out a little bit if need be. Snip off that little tail. Flatten that out. And there we have it. Isn't it cute? So the next thing we do, we also have our pre-made ear wires, and I think we will do a video on how to make your own coming up. So we just open that up just a titch and pop our earring on there. And there you go. There are our super cute little skull earrings. Whip up amazingly fast, and they're just adorable. They're really, really sweet. So for now, this is Laura with We Met Wire Work and More, and I invite you to please subscribe, like, and comment. And in the meantime, have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you soon. Take care.